Both of these drones are from TENSSENX. They were sent to me so I could make this video. I just want to do a quick comparison. Both drones charge via USB-C, so they're nice and easy to charge. Both drones come with its own remote control and case. The main advantage with this one is that it folds up, so it can be a lot more compact. It also has slightly higher video quality. I don't know if I'd really say it's noticeable because, to be honest, the video quality on both of these drones is really not that great. I would say this is a little bit more simple. You just take it out of the case and it's good to go. That being said, this really isn't that much more complex or complicated. The camera on this one, you can move up or down with the remote control. With this one, you're basically stuck as is. With both drones, I never successfully got the video to record directly to the SD card. I don't know if that would have resulted in higher quality video than what you see here. Overall though, both of these are budget toy drones. They're a lot of fun to fly. They're great for beginners just kind of starting out to learn before you spend a lot of cash on something a little bit nicer. And it is fun to have the cameras on there. Despite them not having the best video quality, it's still good enough to see your surroundings, and it's a lot of fun to fly. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.